Today's topic is be an elephant. Okay, I don't mean be an elephant in physical sense. Obviously, that would be a really bad thing for you. So, I mean be an elephant in its attitude. Okay, what do I mean by this? When an elephant is walking down the street, there will be a lot of noise around it, lot of dogs barking at it. But you know how the elephant reacts? It doesn't react. It just keeps on going on its path. It ignores and filters out the noise and keeps on walking. That is an elephant. So you can either be a dog or you can be an elephant. A dog has nothing better to do but to bark and bark. Or you can be an elephant, you can be on your own mission, have a goal and purpose in life, and ignore every single bark from every single dog. Choice is yours. So, be an elephant. Thank you very much.